Welcome to Sweden Car Performance. I'm gonna show you our installation video for the new Toyota RAV4, Corolla, and also the Camry, our new Android V4 system. We got to pull out the unit from the car. In the RAV4 it's really easy. You just pop up the plastic behind here. You just pop it up, then it's hold down with 4 screws. So it takes basically 5 minutes to take that out. This installation video is for Fujitsu 10 and Denso units. You can see that this is a Denso unit, Denso 10. It's the same installation for the Fujitsu 10 unit. So the unit looks like this. When you take out the unit, you have 6 screws here. Unscrew them, take out the screws here. Then you have the clip, 2 red clips that holds it. Just put in a screwdriver and just push a little bit, and then you just tab that down. Same goes with the other side, like that. Then it's just hold by clips. You just take it apart like this. Take that aside. Now you can remove this silver frame. Take that aside as well. Take the screen and remove the 4 screws that holds down the screen. And save these for later because we're gonna reinstall it also. Like that. Now the screen is held by, you can see you got a clip here. Just press that up, just press in a screwdriver there. Then you also have, on the Fujitsu 10 you don't have it on the sides. You just pull there, just do the same thing on this side. You got here also. And then you remove the screen carefully. But place it on the other side, like that. Remove these connectors. You can set that aside as well for now. Now we're going to install the video board. The installation is going to be, you can see the 2 screws here. It's going to be like that. Unscrew these 2 screws. These you don't need anymore. And you got 1 plastic bag with 2 new screws, 2 extenders. Take these extenders and screw it in the same hole as the other screw were. And also have something underneath so you don't scratch the screen. So before we're gonna connect, we recommend that you connect this first. Just see so it's tight in there. Then we will recommend that you connect it here and then place it here like that. Then you take new screws, like that. Take the second one. And that's done now for the screen, so you can set that aside. On the back cover, we'll change the back cover also because we're running some wires. So take out the screws here. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 screws. We have already taken out some just to speed up the process. We only have these 2 left. And that you don't need anymore, because you will get a new plate that you're going to use instead. I'm going to change that. Wrong screw. I'll place it here instead. Just tighten them up like that. Now we're going to run the wires to the screen. You got these cables with the 2 small connectors and this one that we're going to run through the system. And it's really easy because it's no CD player in this, so it's quite easy to just take them out. We got one. Let's see if we can see the other one. Push the other one a bit inside. It's right there, just gonna grab it. Yeah, like that. So now we have the 2 cables here. Like this. Outside. Now we'll just take the original cables here, connect it like that. This one here. That's done. You got 2 connectors here. That connector goes in here. Just gonna see if we like that, just push it in and like that. Now you take on the screen again to the system. This is the hardest part. Just make sure. Just gonna see here. It's not, we're gonna take it in a bit more. Like that. Now we just take the 4 screws, screw them back to the unit. Just use the same 4 screws that you had when you started. Now you're done. You have connected the video board to the system. I'm gonna show you the rest of the installation of the harness. That's the easy part. You will get the box, looks like this. You got dip switches on it. 5 and 6 should be down. We will put a tape over here so these two always will be down. Then you got the plug and play harness. You got 2 T-harnesses and 1 power for the box. So the power for the box goes in here. It says power. On that harness you also have extra video inputs. You got DVR, it will say DVR. You got also DTV input. Here you have for the external speaker if you're going to use that. That is only if you selected the navigation patch, then you will only have the guide voice in the speaker. Most people don't use it, they use the aux instead. You also got some video, 2 video outputs if you got rear monitors. And the cable from that we just connected to the screen, that plugs in here. Like that. Then on these two we also have these 2 T-harnesses. So just connect this harness, we got the yellow one, is connected here. The other T-harness is connected here in the middle. And then you just connect your factory harness in these 2. We also have, from these 2, we have 1 mic and 1 aux wires also. These will be, you will get this harness, that's for the USB input. On that harness you have the RCR out from the Android system and also the mic. So you connect this one, it's just gonna show you, this is the USB harness. You connect the mic, it says mic in, mic there. You just connect it like that. That's for voice guidance in Android system. You're using the factory microphone. And then on the same harness, the USB, you connect the RCA. This will be connected when you get it, also the microphone, we just show you. And this USB you connect to a box there. Need to press it in, and then you only have the GPS antenna to connect. This GPS antenna connected here. And then you're good to go. Here is the external speaker if you want to connect that, but most people only they select aux, then they switch the Denso system, then they have like tuning radio and Google Maps at the same time. Works perfect. And the only thing that we need to know when you order, as this installation is for only the Denso and Fujitsu 10, we'll also do an installation for the Panasonic units. So we need to know what type of unit that you have, Denso, Fujitsu or Panasonic. We don't have anything for the Pioneer or for the 7-inch system, only for the 8-inch. And also if your car has the 360 camera or not. We know that in the Denso units, if you don't have the 360 camera, your factory camera will come up in the Android system when you put in the car in reverse. If you have 360 camera, it will not be available in the Android system, but of course in the factory system. And the same goes for Panasonic. The camera will not be available in the Android system, only in the factory system. So thank you for watching, and visit us at carperformance.se. Thank you.